In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the MAC Z VWAP Indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the indicator fully added to your chart and you'll know exactly where to find it and how to adjust the basic settings so it fits your trading style. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine. You just need a chart on the screen. At the top of the chart, look for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it might say Indicators or show an icon, but it's usually near the top toolbar. Go ahead and click that and it will open the Indicators and Strategies window. Inside this window, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click directly on that search bar so you can type in the name of the indicator you want to add. This is where we're going to find the MAC Z VWAP. Now carefully type MAC Z VWAP Indicator into the search field. Take a second to make sure you've spelled it correctly, because even a small typo can cause TradingView not to show the right result. Once you've typed it in, TradingView will automatically filter the list below. You should see the MAC Z VWAP indicator appear in the results. When you see it, simply click on it once. TradingView will instantly add it to your chart and you'll notice new lines or bands appear, depending on how the indicator is designed. After the indicator is on your chart, you'll probably want to check the settings. To do that, hover over the indicator's name on the chart, usually shown at the top left of the chart area. You'll see a small gear icon next to the name. Click that gear icon to open the settings panel. In here, you can adjust inputs like calculation style, timeframes, or any custom parameters the MAC Z VWAP offers, as well as colors and line thickness. Don't be afraid to experiment a bit. You can always reset to default if needed. If you're not yet using TradingView Pro, or you want an easy way to get started, use the sign up link provided in the video description. That will take you straight to TradingView so you can set up your account and follow along with the same tools and layout. That's all there is to it. You've now added the MAC Z VWAP indicator in TradingView Pro and learned how to access and customize its settings.